O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. And please open your eyes, all of you. So we are discussing solid figures. And I will ask you some questions. Just we can recall what we learned in the previous week. Okay. So please be quiet. And if I'm calling out your name, you can unmute and talk to me. Okay. Others, please be quiet. We need silence. So please be quiet. So we are discussing solid figures. Okay. And also we discussed 4 solid figures last week. Now let us recall the solid figures. Now let me ask Johai is unmute and tell me which are the solid figures we discussed last week. Name the solid figures which we discussed last week.
Circle.
Solid figures. Circle is a flat figure. Okay. Circle, square, rectangle, triangle. These are flat figures. These we can draw in a paper. They are two-dimensional figures. Last week we discussed solid figures. Solid figures are three-dimensional figures. Johais, tell me which are the solid figures?
Cube.
Cube,
Cuboid.
cuboid,
Cone.
cone, and we have cylinder also. Cylinder we didn't write in the notebook. Okay, good, Johais. Okay. Now, Adya Rahul, name one object having the shape of a cube. Name any one object having the shape of a cube.
Rubik's Cube.
Very good. Rubik's cube is an example. Okay, Gayatri, name one object having the shape of a cuboid. Name any one object having the shape of a cuboid. Gayatri, cuboid. Name any object having the shape of a cuboid. Gayatri. Gayatri. Gayatri can't hear, I think. Isra Francis, unmute and tell me, name one object having the shape of a cuboid. Isra, name one object having the shape of a cuboid. Very good. Matchbox is an example. Okay. Now, we can move to the next solid figure. Rituparna, unmute and tell me, name one object having the shape of a cone. Having the shape of a cone. Rituparna?
Ice.
Very good. Ice cream cone. Okay, ice cream cone is an example. Okay, good, good. Now we have next one, cylinder. Okay, Helen, unmute and tell me, name one object having the shape of a cylinder. Cylindrical object, one object.
Candle.
Any other object, Helen? Helen, any other object other than candle? Cylindrical object. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am.
See, name one object having the shape of a cylinder. See, in the torch we can see. What we can see inside the torch?
Battery.
We can see battery. Battery is an example. Yes, candle is also one example. Okay, so these are examples for cylindrical objects. Now, you please listen here. We are talking the fifth. We are talking about the fifth solid figure. Okay, fifth solid figure, and the name of the fifth solid figure is sphere. Sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. Gayatri, listen here. And the shape of the sphere is this one. This shape we call it as sphere. Now, Dev Saran, can you tell me any one of the object having the shape of a sphere? Any one object? It's very easy to say, no? A familiar object is in the shape of a sphere. Dev Sarang, tell me. Yes, bowl is an example. Bowl is an example. Very good. So, Dev Sarang, once again, tell me the name. Having the object is having the shape of a sphere. Bowl. Bowl is an example. See, ma'am, having a smooth green color bowl. So, it's an example for a spherical object. So,
Ma'am.
good. Now, other than bowl, we have many other objects.
Ma'am, lemon.
Srihari also having lemon. Very good. Srihari showing one lemon. Very good.
Orange.
Now, in a orange. Very good. Laddu. What about a laddu? Yes, laddu is
Apple.
an object, no? Yes. Now, anything else? Anything else? Bowl is very good. Bowl is an example. Bowl is an example.
Apple.
Apple. Okay.
Ball.
Okay. Now you please listen here. See? Yes, we have many objects. We have many objects.
Tomato.
Okay, we have many objects. So listen here. Let me show you some pictures. See, you can see a dice. It's a cubical object. Now we have another one, Rubik's cube. Another one, gift box. Okay, then we have cone shape. Example, these are the toys. Now, next one, we have an ice cream cone. Then, this we use for wreaths and all. Christmas tree as an example. Birthday cap is also one example. Okay, so these are conical objects having the shape of a cone. Then, what about this? It's a bricks. Okay, bricks. What is the shape? Ivania Rose. What is the shape of this object? What is the shape of this object? Ivania, unmute and tell me, what is the shape of this object? Cuboid. It's the shape of a cuboid. Very good. It's a shape of a cuboid. Now, we can see matchbox. Matchbox is also one example for cuboidal object. Now, we can see the next one. See, eraser. It's with you already, no? Eraser is an example having the shape of a cuboid. Now, pencil box. That is also an example for cuboidal object. Okay. Now we will come to the cylindrical object. Battery is an example for cylindrical object. Now candle is another example. Mug, another example. Okay. Then what about this? It's a gas cylinder. Example for cylindrical object. Then
Yes.
piece of wood.
Log.
Piece of wood. Example. Piece of wood is also an example. Now, let us see some spherical objects. Okay. Now, before that, let me write the name, the fifth solid figure. That is S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. No need to write now. Listen here. Listen here. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. Okay. Now, let us see some objects having the shape of a sphere. See, it's a bowl. Bowl having the shape of a sphere. Now let us see next one. Did you see this object anywhere? What is this object? You can see at the time of Christmas and all, we will decorate with this object. No? So it's a decorating item. This also look like which shape? Spherical shape. Okay, it's an example for sphere shaped object. Image of the earth. That is also another example. Then globe. Globe is one of the examples. So these are the examples for sphere shaped objects or spherical objects. Okay. Now let us see how we will draw the spherical shape. Okay. The fifth solid figure, that is sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. S-P-H-E-R-E. Now let's draw its a shape. How we will draw? We will draw a circle. Okay. Then inside the circle we will mark some lines. So it's look like the sphere. Now example we can say bowl is an example or globe is also another example. Globe. Okay. Now Adya Rahul, unmute and tell me the. Let me share the screen. Tell me the spelling of sphere. Adya Rahul.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the spelling, my dear. Tell me the spelling. Others,
P
you will fight.
R E.
Very good.
Sphere.
S-P-H-E-R-E. Okay. Jennifer, unmute and tell me the spelling.
Glove.
Tell me the spelling.
S-P-H-E-R-E.
Okay. Now, Ivania Rose. Ivania Rose. Tell me the spelling. Unmute and tell me the spelling.
S-P-H-E-R-E.
Okay. Jewel Maria Joyce and tell me the spelling. Jewel Maria. What is the spelling of sphere? Uh,
S-P.
uh. S-P-H-E-R-E. Okay. Isra Francis, tell me the spelling. Sphere. Tell me the spelling.
S-P-H-E-R-I.
Nesta Maria, unmute and tell me the spelling.
H-E-S-P-H-E-R.
E. Okay. Adviga, unmute and tell me the spelling. Sphere.
S-P-H-E-R-E.
Okay, good. Aiden, unmute and tell me. Aiden, unmute and tell me the spelling.
S-P-H-E-R-E.
Okay. S-P-H-E-R-E. Okay. So we didn't write last day the cylinder. So we can write that cylinder first. Then we can write sphere. So all of you please take notebook. Take a notebook, all of you. Take notebook. Take a fresh page. Now let me share the screen. So we can write the fourth flat figure. Ayan, where is the notebook? Number 4. Cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder.
Ma'am,
Like the spelling.
same page we have to write.
C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder.
Ma'am, same page we have to write.
The spelling is C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder.
Ma'am, I'm asking, we write in the same page?
C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R.
Yes, ma'am.
C-Y-L-I-N-G-E-R. Cylinder. Now let us draw the shape. We will draw 2 standing lines having equal distance, equal length, and at the top and bottom we will draw one flat figure. What is a flat figure we are drawing here? Which flat figure we are drawing at the top and bottom? Aiden, unmute and tell me which flat figure we will draw at the top. Very good, very good. It's Aiden, which one?
Ma'am,
Which flat figure?
ma'am, flat figure. Cylinder.
This is a shape of a cylinder. Okay, when we draw the cylinder shape, we draw at the top and bottom a flat figure. Which is a flat figure we are drawing? We are drawing the circle shape. Okay, we are drawing the circle shape. So all of you draw the shape, cylinder shape. After that, we can write this Example. Okay, example. We can say battery. BATTERY. Battery, comma, candle. 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 First one, BATTERY. Battery. Next one, candle. CANDLE. Jewel Maria, did you draw the figure? Did you draw the shape, cylinder shape in the notebook?
Candle, CANDLE.
What is it?
Battery, BATTE.
CYLINDER. Cylinder.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, if you have completed, we can wait for others. Let them complete. Then we can write the fifth solid figure.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I am completed.
Now we can write the fifth solid figure. The name is sphere. So SPHERE. The fifth solid figure. SPHERE. Drisha, what is the spelling? Sriya, what is the spelling? Tell me the spelling.
SPHERE.
Okay, Isa, unmute and tell me the spelling. Sriya,
SPHERE.
Mahadev, unmute and tell me the spelling.
SPHERE.
Yeah. Good. Gayatri, unmute and tell me the spelling.
Okay, ma'am. SPHERE.
Good girl. Aidana, unmute and tell me the spelling.
Yes, ma'am. CYLINDER.
Okay, that is cylinder. Tell me the spelling, sphere. Aidana? Sphere spelling. SPHERE. Okay, Badrinath, unmute and tell me the spelling. Unmute the device and tell me the spelling. Badrinath. Srihari, unmute and tell me the spelling. Sphere.
Yeah. SPHERE.
Okay, good. Patrick, unmute and tell me the spelling. SPHERE. Okay. Now, Christabel, unmute and tell me the spelling.
SPHERE.
Okay, good. Now, Dhyan Madhav, unmute and tell me the spelling.
SPHERA.
Okay, good. Now, Vaiga, unmute and tell me the spelling.
SPHERE.
Vedika, unmute and tell me the spelling. S P H. Once again. S. Once again, my dear. S. H. S P H E R E. Okay, now we can draw the shape. You can write the example BALL, ball, and one more example, that is globe, GLOBE, globe. Ball is an example, globe is an example. Draw the shape of the sphere and write the example. First one, ball, BALL, ball. Second one, globe, GLOBE, globe.
I have completed.
Okay, good. Advait, unmute and tell me the spelling.
I have completed.
Sphere, Advait.
S. I have completed.
Okay, please be quiet.
SPHERE.
Okay, Aida, unmute and tell me the spelling. Aida Iman, unmute and tell me the spelling sphere. Tell me the spelling. What is the spelling of sphere, my dear? S P H E R E. Okay. Eric Saji, tell me the spelling. Eric Saji, tell me the spelling. Sphere spelling, tell me.
Yes.
SPHERE.
Okay. Sam, unmute and tell me the spelling.
SPHERE.
Okay, good. Asia, tell me the spelling. Unmute the device. Okay.
SPHERE.
Okay. Aisha, tell me the spelling.
SPHERE.
Okay. Srisham, unmute and tell me the spelling. Sphere.
SPHERE.
Okay, good.
Sphere.
Okay, good. Very good. So we completed the first chapter by this last fifth solid figure. Okay. So first chapter is completed and we have to do some more exercise in the textbook that we will do tomorrow. Okay, please be quiet. See, we completed the first chapter. Okay. And we have some exercise in the textbook that we will do tomorrow. So you have to be ready with your textbook tomorrow. And we have one class test of this chapter, chapter 1 sheets, on Thursday. Okay, Thursday we have a class test. So the classes we will conduct in the during the class time itself. Okay, at the end of the session, we will conduct the class test. So you have to study from the notebook and the textbook. Workbook we will take after that. Okay, so study from the notebook and the textbook. And do you have any doubt in this chapter, chapter 1 sheet? Any doubt? I should repeat any topic again?
No,
No.
no,
Okay. So it's clear for all. Okay. Now just we can
No,
recall
ma'am.
what we learned. Okay. Just we can recall what we learned. Listen here. See, first of all, we discuss the outline of the base. What is the meaning of base? Base means the bottom part. Okay. Outline means shape. The shape of the base. Now, Vedika, unmute and tell me what is the shape of the base of a birthday cap? Vedika? Shape of the base. Circle. Very good. Very good. It is circle. Okay. Drisha, unmute and tell me what is the base of a dice or Rubik's cube? What is the outline of the base of a dice or Rubik's cube? What is the base?
The base is
Dice or Rubik's cube. What is the outline of the base? Which shape?
circle.
Which one? See, listen here. See, now dice or Rubik's cube. I asked what is the base, bottom part, outline of the bottom part of the Rubik's cube. We will get the square. Square is the answer. Square. Okay. The base, the bottom part, the outline of the base of dice or Rubik's cube is square. Okay. Then we come to the positional words. Positional words, and we discuss on, under, above, below, far, near, inside, outside, in front of, behind. Then we discuss the 3 words between, before, after. Then we have flat figures. Which are the flat figures? Alankrita, unmute and tell me, name the flat figures we discussed, we learned.
Square,
Very good.
rectangle, circle.
Very good. Very good. We have 4 flat figures: square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. Okay. Also, we discuss its corners and sides. For a square and rectangle, there are 4 corners and 4 sides. For a triangle, it is 3. And for a circle, nothing is here. No sides, no corners. Then we discuss the last topic, that is the solid figures. The solid figures are 3-dimensional figures. Okay. And they are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, and sphere. So these are the 5 solid figures. And just you have to know the spelling of these figures and the examples also. Okay. So these are the topics we covered in chapter 1. So study well for the exam. Okay, class test. Listen. So be ready with your textbook tomorrow. Okay. And we have the test paper on Thursday. So thank you for joining. Bye. See you in the next class. Bye.
Bye.